Dabula, Dabula, awukho ku-level yami ngempilo wena. Ukuthi bengisebenza nawe Moja Love akusho ukuthi kumele ukhulume nami ku-social media ngendlela ukhuluma nami ngakhona. Okokucala ngitshe ngathi angilwe nawe. Umuntu okugcina wena ungangitshela ukuthi ngifuna uMaseko. Uyazi ukuthi uMaseko angisebenzi ngaye, sebenzi ngezigebengu mina. Angisebenzi ngesilima. Then wena ungafuni impi. Because into engakutshela yona mina la ku-social media ngakuyenza ukuthi uzikhunge or ungasayi nasemathaveni or ungasayi la uzitshela ukuthi wena mawungena uyangena sisi. Mhlawumbe ubona ngithulile, ubona ngathi kulamela udlalele khona la phezulu ekhanda lami. Umngane wakho sisi mamanzi never slap nensipho. Angisimngane wakho mina. So ngicela ukuthi ungangijwayeli kabi. Uyangazi la ngihlala khona. Mangabe usempini iba sempini ubonakale sisi. Imali engiyifunayo ngiyifuna kuwe, angasebenzeli wena ngisebenzeli Moja Love. And if basakubhadala ukuthi ube yipuppet yabo ukhuluma nonsense ngami ku-social media uzozisola. I repeat, angisesomngane wakho mina and futhi angisakusebenzisi elifeni yami. You are nothing but a piece of paper. Sis.
I hope you're good. I'm not gonna waste of time here. But I'm here to deliver something. I'm here to deliver my answers. And one question. Mahlanta wena ungipostile wathi ngi-overpower entweni eziningi my daddy. Wathi wena umatwetwe wena uzulu. Wena uyini Mahlalanta wena. So why decide to kill yourself if wena uyigwenya? I won't change anything Mahlalanta wena. I don't know your life's issues. But mina Moja Love wena le ulwa nayo. Ngisaphila namanje right for mina. So wena ukuthi maybe ufuna uMaseko Bheki or ini ukhosa ini ukhosa ama-angle ukhosa ama-society. No my darling. Eso said ukuthi wena you are strong. Keep it in that way. Ungipostile wangiphendula emapostini amaningi. Wangirekhoda even nakuTawu. Yes. Ngiphumile noTawu. Yes. And there were cameras. Mengingasinto nje ama-camera mekakhona my child. Ukuthi uyangiposta expose. This is my life. Akunala ngizongatheka khona. I am Jabula Daddy. I'm a gay person, I'm strong. You are a woman. So yekela computer nami my child. Yekela computer nami. I don't think I'll see myself causing a society. With no reason, thanks. Stop what you are doing and focus in life, my child. Thank you, my South Africa. I'm sorry to be like that. I'm sorry to be like that, my friends. But as I said, I'm here to give answers with the one question. Thank you, my.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Cha isukile oyebantu ma-actors emndeni uMahlala Entabeni and uDabula. So uDabula when the video, I think namhla i-Friday when the video ngathi uyente Wednesday if not Thursday. No uyente Thursday itolo. Makende video uDabula yesterday yasho ukuthi uMahlala Entabeni uzame ukutibulala wayezame ukutibulala because yena uthi they was strong utoyifightela yena Moja Love and yena ngacompete naye yena he is strong yena usaqhubeka uyasho ukuthi Moja Love yena imphethe kahle hey wakhuluma nje wadrega uMahlala Entabeni ukuthi wayeMahlala Entabeni azame ukutenquma. When the video ke namhla Mahlala Entabeni responding to uDabula ukuthi uDabula kahambe ayodlala ngeMandi. Akavakashele nje iNsipho neVaslap washo nje ukuthi uTomhlazani ebantwini. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.